What's going on YouTube? Noah back here with another video for y'all today. So today we are working on Outriggers for my E450 welding truck for the crane. I've noticed when I'm picking up some heavier stuff that starts squatting. Don't want to really mess with the suspension. I don't want to hold that. So I'll spin y'all on and show you what I got going on right now. Okay, so what we got right now is that's a piece of 5 by 3 inch by 1/4 inch wall square tubing. That's a piece of 2 by 4 by 3/16 tubing. That'll slide in there. I gotta shim it out, but it'll work. Basically, what I'm gonna do is put this pretty much where it's at the moment. Give or take a little bit. Just gotta make sure it's square. I'm gonna end up bolting it to these brackets on there. I'm gonna take 2 pieces of pipe like this. One of them on the inside here, one of them down to that bottom. One bolts down to here, bolts it down to there. I could just weld it all, but I just don't like permanently attached stuff like that if I can help it. So yeah, bolt it here, bolt it there too, like that, with a piece of plate on the bottom. Weld this to that. Piece of plate on the bottom will be good to go. So that'll be that. What else? Yeah, I'll take and put a piece of angle like this here. I'll weld it to that, and then when I bolt to here, I gotta put one more bolt to the bottom of this, just for another securement point. I think that'll be pretty good for what I'm doing. I wanted to put some plates back, but there's a whole bunch of stuff in the way back there. I don't think that'll be necessary. But yeah, so that's what my plan is for that. And I'm gonna have to cover up all this, which I think I got a piece of diamond thread I can put in here. And basically what I'm gonna do is come off of these and build me out a simple, I'd build me a frame or something, so I figure how I'm gonna do this. Basically just build this out to where it's about even with the hitch. Just a bumper per se. So yeah, I figure out how I'm gonna do that. Probably build this out. What I should do, see if I got a piece like 4 inch come out. I'll figure that out. But basically just build me a bumper that I can put a vise on and all that, and not have to worry about it. So yeah, that's basically what we got here. I'll bring y'all back. I probably won't get. That's probably about all I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna take 2 jacks like that, put one over here, one over there, and be done with it. But yeah, I'm probably done for the day. I'm just gonna get cleaned up a little bit, and then probably tomorrow is when I'm starting this thing. But yeah, it's gonna work out. What's going on YouTube? Noah back here with another video for y'all. So today, I may put a part in front of this, not a whole lot, but we are working on a new rear bumper and some jacks for some stabilizer jacks for the welding truck. So I'll spin y'all around and show you what we're working on. Alright, so somebody stole our bumper. Not really, we just took it off. Basically what we're going to do is take this piece. This is a piece of 5 by 3 square tubing by 1/4 inch wall. Didn't really need 1/4 inch, but it's what they had, so that's going to basically sit right on top of these old brackets. And then I'm going to put some pipes and bolt it to the hitch here. Put some L brackets to these brackets. I got to bolt those brackets again on the bottom. Probably set up my GoPro to get a lot of this footage. And then I'll just put them all together. But basically, and then I got a piece of 2 inch, 4 by 2 there that will slide in here. I got to shim it, but it'll slide in there. And then this side is going to extend out probably about 5 foot. And then have a jack on the end. That one's just going to be stationary with the jack on the end. So basically this is just because I've noticed I probably could get away with just putting one jack here, but I figured if I'm going to do it, I might as well overdo it. Whenever I put a heavy load on the crane, I see that thing, the suspension go way down. It's a little off to this side just because of how I'm sitting, but yeah, so that's what I got to work on. But basically what I got doing, I got this marked out. I'm going to cut this and then I feel I might use an auto clean today to be a hand. So yeah, I'll bring y'all back when I'm gonna get the GoPro set up, and then I'll bring y'all back when I got something else done. Alright, YouTube, so, little update. So what I did is I took this is some 2x2 by the 3/16 of quarter wall, and I just tacked it all in. I'm going to go ahead and drill holes in these bottoms to bolt it down to the hitch. Same with there. Then I added these L brackets. Oh, yeah, I'll be right. And then I went ahead and drilled a hole in the drill press with that, and then I just got to drill a hole through the bracket to attach it to there. But that should work pretty well for what we need. Basically going to be attached to this, and then all this is attached to the bed. So that should be plenty. Yeah, I might put some like cross gussets this way so this doesn't bend or whatever, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, attaching it to this should be plenty enough in my opinion. So, but we're just gonna keep on going. I'm gonna probably take this off. Well, or mark these holes, take it off, drill it out, we'll weld all this out, and then just go from there. But I'll bring y'all back. Alrighty, so now I'm just getting all the stands set up so I can set up the, I don't know what you'd call that, maybe the sleeve, I don't know, that wiggle support. I'm shimmying that off at the moment, just going to get it off and put it on to the stand so I can get it welded out. Alrighty, y'all. I'm just got a little scrap piece. I'm just trying to get my settings figured out because I don't really run dual skewers all that often. Haven't in a while, so I just wanted to get it set up to this machine. But that's just what I'm doing right here. Nothing too exciting, but I just figured I'd tell y'all what I was doing. And now we're just welding everything out. Just welding out these upper supports. Nothing too exciting there, just gonna weld them all out so then we can reset it back in the truck and make sure everything stays fitting. So that's all we're doing here. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Hi YouTube, so here we are back. Basically what we did is I got all this welded out for the most part. Got the holes drilled, everything bolted up, so that's staying where it is. So now I'm gonna build the bumper off of that, but I want to get this the actual outrigger built, and then figure out what I'm gonna do with that, and then get everything shimmed and all that. Then after that I'll come through and build out this bumper. I think I already know how I'm gonna do it, but we'll give it a minute. We'll wait and see what happens.